Today we are going to make triple chocolate banana muffins. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to start out with 2 extra ripe bananas. Super, super ripe bananas. That's what makes it the best. Those are the most flavorful. And there's my oven. I've got it put on 400 degrees. I'm going to smash my bananas. I wasn't going to film this. I'm making this to take up north tomorrow morning, but because I just got out of the shower and I don't look so great, and I thought, the heck with it. I'm going to film it. So I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to use 2 cups of flour. I've got to get some more flour. I'm almost out of flour. Yeah, I'm going up north to see some friends and have some fun. It's summertime. And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup cocoa powder. And a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using peanut oil because it's all I got, but I'm sure it'll give it a unique flavor. And then I'm going to use I'm going to start out with 3/4 cup of milk because I don't know how wet the bananas are going to make it. This is just 2% milk. And I'm going to add teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg that I forgot to get out, but you guys will forgive me. Scoop out a little more of that oil. Okay, then I'm going to mix this up. Make sure you get that egg incorporated. I looked online to see, I've made muffins my whole life, and I looked online to see how much cocoa powder I should add to, I'm going to add that other 1/4 cup of milk. Yeah, that looks right. I think that banana is going to add a neat flavor to it. You know, like chocolate dip bananas. And as always, even though it's raw egg, you want to taste it. That tastes good. Then I'm going to add, this is about 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and stir that in. Okay, I'm glad I filmed this. These are going to be so yummy. So now I've got a buttered muffin tin here, and I am going to fill it with my batter here. Yeah, I'm going up north and I fear this will make a quick little breakfast with some coffee. And you bake these for about 20 minutes on 400. And I always use up my batter. I fill all the muffin tins up. And what's going to make this triple chocolate is that I am going to use chocolate kisses, and I'm going to put them in the middle on the top. I know this doesn't look like they're going to come out, but they will. I've done this a million times. Okay. Now, I am going to take my chocolate kisses and I am going to put one kiss in the middle of each, without the paper, in the middle of each muffin. And when I get that all done, I'll come back. Okay, these are going in the oven for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, they're coming out of the oven. Look at those beautiful muffins. I usually throw them onto the plate, but since I've got the kisses on there, I'm gonna wait a minute, but let me just gently take one out for you. Look at that neat muffin. And I will take a picture when hi. I'll take a picture when I get them all on the plate. I just don't want to smash up my kisses. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Love the Lord with all your heart, and till we meet again.